Ignite the engines! These top 10 fighter jets push the boundaries of speed, stealth, and power. True masterpieces of modern military aviation.
Number 10, Saab JAS-39 Gripen, Sweden. Kicking off our list is the Saab JAS-39 Gripen. Thoughtful, this light, agile, and cost-effective fighter is perfect for rapid deployment and excels in harsh conditions, thanks to its advanced avionics and STOL, short takeoff and landing capability. Number 9, Mikoyan MiG-31BM, Russia. At number 9 is Russia's MiG-31BM, renowned for its Mach 2.8 speed and long-range interception. This jet features a powerful radar system and the ability to engage multiple targets simultaneously. Number 8, Eurofighter Typhoon, Europe. At number 8, we have the Eurofighter Typhoon, a joint European project. This versatile aircraft excels in both air superiority and ground attack missions, and it's recognized for its agility and global deployment capabilities. Number 7, Sukhoi Su-35, Russia. Ranked 7th is the Russian Su-35. With its advanced thrust vectoring engines and top-tier radar systems, this multi-role fighter dominates in both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. Number 6, Dassault Rafale, France. In 6th place is the French Dassault Rafale. Nicknamed the Sword of the Skies, this versatile fighter handles a wide range of roles, from air superiority to strike missions, and is also carrier capable. Number 5, Boeing FA-18EF Super Hornet, USA. Number 5 goes to the U.S. Navy's FA-18EF Super Hornet. This carrier-based multi-role jet is known for its resilience, combat flexibility, and proven performance in various military operations. Number 4, Chengdu J-20, China. Enthusiastic. At number 4 is the Chinese Chengdu J-20. Thoughtful. This stealthy 5th-generation fighter is designed for long-range combat and stands as a strong challenger to its Western counterparts. Number 3, Sukhoi Su-57, Russia. Taking 3rd place is the Sukhoi Su-57, Russia's first 5th-generation stealth fighter boasts super cruise capability, advanced radar systems, and exceptional agility, built to dominate in both close and long-range air combat.
Number 2, Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II, USA. In second place, we have the American F-35 Lightning II. This stealth multi-role fighter excels in situational awareness and can operate from land bases or aircraft carriers, making it one of the most adaptable jets in service.
Number 1, Lockheed Martin Boeing F-22 Raptor, USA. At the top of our revised list is the legendary F-22 Raptor. Widely considered the best fighter jet in the world, it features unmatched stealth, supercruise capabilities, and exceptional agility, remaining the ultimate air superiority fighter. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Stormbase.